Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making Banoffee Scones. Banoffee? Yes, Banoffee. Banoffee is a popular English dessert. It's usually in a cake form. It has bananas and toffee, and that's what Banoffee means. Part bananas, part toffee. Yum, yum. Today we're going to make it a little bit easier for ourselves. We're going to make it in a scone format, which comes together so quickly you don't even have to thaw out the butter, and you throw it in the oven. We're also making it because Banoffee is totally a strange word. It really is. No one knows what it's supposed to be. Banoffee, bananas and toffee, such a splendid mix to eat. Well, heck yeah, it will be. First things first, preheat your oven to 425 degrees and get your cookie sheet ready to go, either greased or with parchment paper. All-purpose flour, adding whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, sugar, mix together, cold butter, mash together using a pastry cutter, or you can use your fingers. It should be unevenly crumbly, which this is about. Add in your toffee crunch. Mix around until evenly distributed. 1 medium ripe banana. Add the vanilla into it. It can be paste or extract. Mash together. Stir in half a cup of buttermilk or milk. I have 3/4 of a cup here, so I won't be adding it all in. Add your liquid to your flour mixture. Stir until it just comes together. Flour your surface well. Get the mixture to come together with your hands. It's always better. You can also feel how wet it is. You don't want it to be too wet. Go ahead and put it on your floured surface. It's okay if you have some pieces left over here. We're just going to add those in. We're going to knead it about 10 times, but very gently. We're just going to make sure that it's all together. You'll see that there are still some pieces which have not fully formed into it, and that's what we're looking to do, is to get that all in it. Okay, we're going to stop there. It's pretty much well combined at this point. We're going to divide this in two. And with each half, we're going to pat this into a 6 to 8 inch circle. So you have 6 inches here and 8 there. So somewhere between. I may flour the surface a little more. Okay, cut each into 6 wedges. And move them on over to your cookie sheet. I'm going to add some sparkling sugar on top because it makes everything better. Into the oven for 14 to 16 minutes until they're a golden brown. They look ready. Nice golden brown. The best thing about these scones, you can eat them hot, straight out of the oven. Just don't burn yourself. Since we get to eat these hot, I'm showing you this right away. Sparkling sugar makes everything better. It really does. These are super hot in my hand, so I'm going to break off a piece. We can see those toffee pieces throughout. Let's give it a taste. It tastes like a delicious banana bread, which is maybe a little denser, but it has those toffee pieces coming throughout, and then that sparkling sugar on top brightens everything up. These are truly delicious. So good. And did you notice that there was some whole wheat flour in there? So they're even kind of nutritious. If I can make Banoffee scones for the very first time with you watching me, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram, and keep sending those recipe requests.